When we find ourselves having to adjust classes for drivers after you've already completed the first round or maybe even the second round, there's two options that we have available. One is more applicable to where you have a multitude of drivers, say 5 or 6, that need to be adjusted, and the other is where you just need to adjust maybe one driver. Both are going to require that you go in and change on the roster their class for the remainder of the season, though. So let's start with the first one. Option 1. We're going to go into the results for the first event, and we're going to click Edit at the bottom right, and we're going to go to this Delete All button and remove all of the results for this feature. Now you'll notice that you're going to want to hit the drop down here and also click on Qualify, or if Heat is applicable, wherever you have points applied, and delete those results as well. Once done, you'll click Save. That will empty it out, and then you'll want to do this for the second round if it's applicable. Now, once you've completed that, we're going to go into our roster now, and we're going to click Edit, and we're going to go to the right to where all of the drivers that need to be changed in question will click their Edit button and change their Pro to Open or Pro to Am, whatever the case may be. We'll click Save at the bottom right and hit Close. Now, once we've adjusted all of these drivers, this is actually changing them on the roster. Now, when we go back to reload the results, the correct classes will actually be applied. We'll click Edit. We'll go into Import to load the new results, but instead of clicking Import from iRacing, we're going to click Result Files. We'll go to that race result and click Reprocess, and then that will load the new results for all of the different applicable events. And then make sure you click Save in the bottom right. Now, for option 2, we're simply going to go into the results. We're going to click Edit, and we're going to go to the drivers that actually need their run class changed for this race. So we'll go down to the first driver here. We're going to change their run class to the Am and click Update. We'll go to the next driver and do the same. Again, this is for where you only have 1 or 2 drivers. And then we're going to click Save at the bottom. That's automatically going to update the results. Now, what you have to do after this is make sure that you do go into the roster, click Edit, go to the right, click Edit on that particular driver, and make sure that you change their class for the remainder of the season, and click Save. And then that's how the two options work for changing classes for drivers at the beginning of a season.